Hey everyone, I just got this awesome package from Amazon and I'm really excited to open it. First, it comes with these two poppets and the jumbo poppet. That's what I'm so excited for. First is this bunny. I love it. Next is this super cute turtle. Again, amazing. Now it's time for this. Look at how huge this is. That is amazing. I love the popping sounds and it's huge. I highly recommend.
If anyone is wondering, this is the pack that I ordered.
These are all literally amazing and I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Bye guys!